there. Good job. Hey. So after going through the routine with both Mum and Dad, I then knew what was going to happen. So there's enough opportunity here for you girls to go out.
What you doing there, Halo?
Meet up with your friends. Teenagers.
What you doing?
I loved it. I loved the routine.
What you doing?
Next, I wanted to show the family exactly how overloaded these girls are with their chores. Dishwasher. Me. Breakfast. Me.
You getting it all set up?
Mom.
Yeah, getting it all set up for you. Oh my goodness.
Everyone.
Halo, what are you doing?
Right, let's go.
Mom and Dad have a notable disagreement.
You're gross, hey.
I don't think they have good communication with their father. They are in fear of his reaction. You don't agree? You fold the clothes though, right? Yeah. I will stand up to my parents. And Brittany is more afraid to stand up to my parents. Give me your argument. Why do you feel you fold the clothes more?
Because I have been doing it more lately.
Halo,
What's lately?
quit that.
Very last time mine
Quit.
was done?
No.
She does it all the time when you guys are gone. There's no way. Yeah. Just as I was going over the chores, I saw that Brittany looked a little pale. A little...
Betsy Johnson built a fashion
Quit.
empire.
Quit. I'm gonna take your toy. Ow! I'm gonna get your toy. Yes, you. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. I'm gonna get your toy, though. Give me that right now. Quit. Quit. Baylor, Baylor. No, I can't. Can I play? No. Halo, can I play? Hey, come on, let's play. Can we play? Come on. Halo. I love you, Halo. Let me play. Let me play. No? Okay. Maybe you'll change your mind. Did you change your mind? Okay. Don't you love Mommy? Let me see what you got there in your mouth. Wait. What you got? What's in your mouth? Ow! What's that there? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Are you wanting to go love on it? Let Mommy play. Let Mommy play. Can Mommy play? Dude, look at that face. It's just so cute. Look at that face. Yeah, he's just so cute. Ow! Okay. Mean Halo, part 1.